I think we should speak more and more. And second thing is that we should listen some good things, like good content. They are speaking very good, like expert in this language, so that we can understand them properly, like how they are making the sentence and which mistakes we should not do. So yes, these are the things. And
I'm doing well. What about you?
yes, I'm pretty well. Thank you. So this is our first call. So I would like to know a little bit about you.
Yeah, so my name is Keshav Patel and I am from Baitul, Madhya Pradesh.
Mhm.
And I'm student of civil engineering, so I'm pursuing BTech as a final year student.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
From
Where?
Baitul, Madhya Pradesh. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, got it. Would you like my introduction as well?
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal. And currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company. And moreover, I'm running my YouTube. And if I talk about my education, so I have completed my BE from IT branch. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, okay, nice. So, like, how long you have been working in your company in this field?
Okay, I've been working here for last 4.5 years.
4.5 years. So you are working in Bhopal.
Actually, my work location is in Delhi, Noida, but I'm working from home, so that's why I'm in my hometown.
Okay, okay, nice.
Okay, so you are in a final year. So, like, what's your
Yeah.
future plan? Do you want to go in your field only, or do you want to shift to another field?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I want to switch my career as a data analyst. Actually, previously I have completed diploma in civil engineering. So based on diploma, I did some work in construction company in Hyderabad as a junior construction engineer. So
Mhm.
overall, my work experience was not good. So that's why nowadays I'm switching. I try to switch my career as a data analyst.
Okay, that's great. So you have interest in this field.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, that's nice. Are you preparing for that?
Yeah, I'm preparing. Right now, I am in my hometown because of examination are going nowadays, final year. So otherwise, I am living in Hyderabad. So last 3 to 4 months, I am staying there and taking proper offline classes.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And your college is in your hometown itself,
No,
or
in Bhopal,
in Bhopal?
from Radharaman Engineering College. I'm pursuing.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so like, may I know about your hobbies? Like, what do you do apart from studies?
Uh, I like to explore new places and
Mhm.
reading books and planting plants. These are my most favorite hobbies.
Okay, so you love traveling as well.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I have also a YouTube channel. Viewer like subscribers are very less and not so much popular video I have, but because of I like to do, so that's why I'm doing making traveling vlogs and some information videos about traveling or uh, some civil engineering related videos also.
Okay, that's great. So you are making videos like blog kind of videos.
Yeah, I like vlog.
That's nice.
Yeah,
I think we should do something that is, you are interested in, so you will definitely enjoy those things. So
yeah, yeah.
so you love traveling and you are uploading videos also, so you must be enjoying these things as well.
Yeah, and my reason behind of this sense, like I want to improve my communication skill and I want to improve like how to speak in front of anyone. Like if you are making some videos, so we can observe our mistakes where we are making mistakes. So this is the one of another reason why I'm making videos.
Okay. So have you attended any interviews as of now or not?
No,
Not yet?
no. Like recently, I have just completed my theory parts of data analyst related some things, and my examination are good. So that's why I came from here, and nowadays I'm just preparing for examination because it's final year and just three
Mhm.
subjects are I have to cover first then.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's nice. Okay, so may I know like which are the places have you visited so far?
In Bhopal.
Oh, any places?
Oh, okay. Actually, I visited in Rajasthan. I visited Udaipur,
Mm-hmm.
and recently I came from Ooty, Mysore, Bangalore, in lots of places in Hyderabad like Golconda Fort, Charminar, and one of the largest museum of our country, which is situated in Hyderabad, the largest museum.
Mm-hmm. I
So
think
that one, yeah.
Yeah, I think I have heard the name.
Yeah, Salar Jung Museum. So recently I covered that part, and lots of places in our state.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hmm. Yeah, that's nice. Even I like traveling, so that's why I was asking.
yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, and like nowadays you are learning English as well. So may I know like how long you have you been learning this language?
From like, it's I'm learning. It's my learning process is so long. Like I was belongs from Hindi medium background and from rural area, so there is no environment of speaking in English and all.
Mm-hmm.
So from 12th, from 10th class, I'm learning, but that time I was not so much aware. So trying to learn some words, but seriously, I'm learning from last 6 to 8 months.
Okay, so are you like connecting with this kind of people or doing something else as well?
Actually, I'm using Joestock application. This is my first introduction in front of you, like by any video call or through a just social media website. I'm just using Joestock application for making calls only.
Okay, so that are on audio call.
Yeah, that's there are some audio calls only.
Okay. So
Yeah,
how are you feeling now? It is your first video.
yeah, yeah. I was very excited, and it's really very I can say a great feeling now.
Okay, that's nice. And as I can feel that you are not hesitating and you are not nervous as well. Because I have seen that most of the people, like their first call, they become very nervous and they hesitate a lot while speaking anything. So,
Yeah, yeah. Just because I speak a lot, but on voice call, it's my first video interaction, but I have experience to how to talk. So that's why maybe I'm not hesitated now.
yeah, that is a good thing because you have confidence. So that is the plus point for you. And yeah, it's not really matter that some people are good at audio call, but still they hesitate a lot on video call. So it
Mhm.
really happens, but it is
Yeah,
good. So you won't feel any nervousness in your interviews as well.
yeah. Let's see what will happen.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So do you have any question for me?
No, yeah, like you are doing great work. I have seen your videos on YouTube, like that. How I'm. This is the process of my learning. Like I'm listening more.
Hmm.
Try to understand people what they are saying. This is my process. Like I'm not good in grammar. Like I'm not nowadays. I'm making lots of grammatical mistakes. But I'm trying to learning from people how they are speaking. So whatever you're doing great actually.
Okay. Thank you so much. And yeah, I was a kind of person you can, consider that I was still I'm introvert and I was an introvert person since my childhood, you can say. So I
Mm.
was hesitating a lot in my workplace also. And you can totally understand if you are working in a company and you are not able to express your thoughts. So it would be really difficult to survive there. You have to
Yeah.
speak in front of that people. And the plus point for me that I joined my company, but after a few months only I came to my hometown, so I didn't get much chance to interact with people. So that's why I didn't get that kind of chance to be socialized. So that I thought,
Mm.
but I spent two years in COVID duration, so I didn't think about that I should learn English, and because my work was going on and I was able to speak a little bit in my meeting, so I was a little bit comfortable. But still, I was hesitating a lot. So that I thought I should work on my communication skills if I have to work here. So that's why I started my YouTube channel just because to build my confidence level.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
suddenly I shifted to English language because I thought if nowadays English is more requirement for me, especially in my career. So that's why I shifted to English language, and now it is continuously the same English channel only.
Yeah, yeah. Like it's not about English language, like, because we have need lots of environment. We have need lots of thing in English because we have environment in our corporate world. And apart from this, like how many language we know, it will be better for us.
Yeah.
I seriously realized like when I visited Hyderabad and I visited some classes for counseling. So counselors are don't know Hindi there,
Mhm.
and our native language is Hindi, and they don't know Hindi, and they just speaking in English. So from where like I realize I have to do lots of work on my communication.
Yes. And there you must speak in English language if you don't know their mother tongue and if they don't know your mother tongue.
Yeah, yeah.
Even I faced the same challenges when I went to Bangalore once. So that time people were not able to understand my language, and that time I was not really good at English language also. It was really hard for me to interact with them. Then
Yeah.
only I realized, oh my God, I think I should focus on my communication. Otherwise, it would be really difficult, especially in career if you are going to any state or country. So, yes.
Mm.
Okay. May I know about your first day of your college, how it was?
First day of my college. So I never went this Bhopal College, Radha Marinji College. I visited just I proper attend classes from Raisen, Government Polytechnic College, Raisen.
Okay.
So it was very good, good like that. I have few friends from my previous schooling, so we went there together,
Mhm.
two or three friends. So I was very shy, introvert, and I just sat in the back bench,
Okay.
and I have seen the curriculum and lots of student we met on that day, and we met lots of friend. And after that, like friendship, from that time to this time, it's growing day by day. So it was good, like not anything special on that day because I was very shy and introvert. So I didn't talk a lot to anyone.
Okay. Yeah, it happened with me as well. As I already mentioned that I was a very introvert and still am. So yeah, on my first day of my college, I was not able to speak with anyone. I was hesitating a lot, like how I would speak with them. And I shifted Hindi medium school to, any big college. So it was really challenging for me that people are from different backgrounds, especially they are from a good background. And I am
Mm.
from Hindi medium and especially from government school. So it was
Yeah,
really challenging for me. And when I was seeing to other people, how they are talking with each others, and they became friends very easily. But it was really hard for me to communicate with them. So I
yeah,
still remember, I still remember that day. I was not speaking that much, but yeah, gradually I tried to speak, and yeah, I was a studious girl. I was a topper also in my school and
oh,
college. So it was in my habit that I was not speaking too much. But because of that, now I am facing challenges in my workplace.
okay,
So I think we should be a little bit talkative as well.
yeah,
What
yeah, we should. Okay. So from which college you are passed out from Bhopal?
CIT?
TIT. Okay. Two or three of my friend they are doing study from there nowadays. They are also in final year.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
here we can say that in Bhopal, it's a popular college. Some of the colleges are very popular, like LNC.
Like CIT, LNCC, and Oriental College. These
Hmm.
are some popular college. Yeah.
Yes.
I took admission in Radhanaman Engineering College just because I don't want to go college and classes, and there is some facilities
Mhm.
to don't go. I should not speak like that on this recording session because, but yeah, I took admission in Radhanaman Engineering College.
Hello.
Yeah, just a minute. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Now I'm visible to you.
Yes, yes, you are visible.
So tell me about your journey, like how you learn your how you improve your communication nowadays. What things you are doing? Like what should I do for doing more things, learning more things? And as I told you, nowadays I'm also making lots of grammatical mistakes. From like if I want to talk
Mhm.
about some past tense, and if I want to talk about some future tense, so sometimes I'm lacking a lot.
Yes, I think it happens. It is happening with me also because when you have to speak suddenly on, especially the storytelling. So
Mhm.
I'm also struggling here when I have to speak suddenly on particular. I'm making some of the stories, and I have to make the sentence as well. So it is maybe that I'm not practicing a lot on this particular thing because now we are doing a casual conversation. So now the things are remember, like yes, I
Mhm.
have to say these things, I have to say this thing. So it is quite easy. So I think we should focus on those things as well, like particular storytelling and something, any past experience we should try to speak by yourself. So we can do this kind of practice. And nowadays, I am also taking some paid classes as well. Not too much, but yeah, some of the sessions just to know that where I'm lacking, like what are the mistakes I'm doing. Because some of the minor mistakes we really don't know that yes, I'm doing this mistake. So I can understand some of the grammatical mistakes that is really popular mistakes we can say that, especially the tenses part. But still somewhere like we can't even understand that yes, this is the mistakes we are doing. So yes, I think we should speak more and more. And second thing is that we should listen some good things, like good content. They are speaking very good, like expert in this language, so that we can understand them properly, like how they are making the sentence and which mistakes we should not do. So yes, these are the things. And yes, to be honest, I'm not spending a lot of time on English learning only. Just one conversation in a day, and other than that, listening parts. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, like yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of things to do if you really want to, particular thing. If you really want to give time for English learning, so
Mhm.
people can give their time and they can learn very easily as well.
Yeah, like I am spending a lot of time because I was really very bad.
Hmm.
So from that point to this situation, like I did lots of work, and nowadays I am all, at least 1 to 2 or hardly 3 hour I try to spend to learning things in English. Like I'm doing everything: reading, writing, listening,
Okay.
and speaking also. So all 4 things I'm trying to do every day.
That is good because you are doing all the aspect of learning English. So that is good. And yeah, it will take time, few months we can say, but yeah, you will be more comfortable. And now you are able to speak properly. I didn't find out any mistakes as of now, but yeah, maybe I have skipped. But yeah, you are speaking well, I think.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so if you can suggest me like about the vocabulary part. So are you doing anything else just to enhance your vocabulary? Particular, you are focusing on vocabulary part or not?
Not particularly, but yeah, I am focusing on that. Like some of time, I'm reading books of
Mm-hmm.
any kind of unknown vocabulary for me. So every time I try to write down and find out the meaning of that vocabulary and try to implement on my next conversation. So yeah, I am focusing to learning new vocabularies also.
Yes, I think we should focus on making sentences as well. Then only we can use it in our
Yeah,
conversation.
yeah,
Otherwise,
right.
not. Otherwise, whatever things you are learning, so it will be learning only. You won't
Yeah,
really.
you will forget all the things.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I don't have any further question, and if you have, so you can ask. Otherwise, we can wrap up.
Yeah, no, I have no question actually.
Okay, no issue.
But yeah, I will like if we will connect again, so I will try to collect some questions for you and then we will go ahead.
Yeah, definitely. Or we can discuss on a particular topic as well, so
Yeah,
that we can speak more.
yeah, like first we decide and preparing for that particular topic and then we will discuss.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.
You too. You. Bye bye.